going to do is draw a orthogonal drawing using third angle projection. Now I'm starting here with an isometric drawing of my object, and what I've done is I've gone around on most of these edges and measured them, and I've indicated what that measurement is using millimeters. In some cases I couldn't measure the edge like this one here because it's not an actual true length. The two key ones I'm going to start off with is the length and the height. So the main tool that I'm going to be using is this 3060 set square, and what it does is it allows me to draw my construction lines always perfectly horizontal and vertical. And you can see I'm aligning it, and I'm going to try and align it every time towards that border. Now with construction lines, you should notice that they're quite light. I don't want construction lines to clutter my image. They're really there purely as a reference for myself. You can see here what I'm doing now is drawing the length and the height. I'm now going to use those measurements to project them into my other viewing planes using nice light construction lines again. Always aligning my set square to the border. Okay, so this construction box which I've now drawn is going to now set the parameters for my plan, and the elevation here. So what I'm going to first do is continue drawing my elevation here. So I'm off down 47, up 20. Now I don't want to keep using my ruler because that slows me down. Essentially what I want to end up doing is using the same measurement multiple times. So what I'm going to do here is that 47 that I measured, which is where that slope started, I'm going to now project up into the plan and across into the end elevation. And essentially you can see when I end up doing the other two viewing planes, there's not going to be that much measuring to do. So looking at my viewing plane now, it's now going to go across that full distance. You can see I don't need to do a lot of measuring. You'll see how much measuring I do now on my plan. I'm going to have to do one here, which is going to be my 40. Once again, lining it up with that border, getting that nice horizontal line. Now you'll notice I'm using a mechanical pencil. A mechanical pencil always keeps a sharp point, so they're highly advantageous over the traditional pencil. So when I'm doing this, if I was doing this in an examination, I'd probably be, at a HSC level anyway, I would be using multiple width mechanical pencils, and they also have different grades. But you can see here it is here in its finished product before I go and dimension it.